welcome back to my channel. So I know that you're probably wondering, what is a big deal? It is just a scale, but wait, this is not just any scale. This is the Inevifit Smart Body Fat Scale, and it is designed to track your body's composition all while using your smartphone. Yes, that thing that you carry around all the time and can't live without. It tracks everything on that. So the iOS and the Android are compatible with this, and it comes in two different colors, both black and white. It is sleek, it is affordable, and I think it's pretty easy to set up. However, if you're having any issues, they have customer service that's available 7 days a week, and they also come with a 5-year warranty. So the only thing that you have to do is scan this app, download it, and set up your account. You don't even have to worry about batteries. It pretty much comes with that. And I'll have all the information for this product down below in my description box, as well as pinned in my comments. So guys, stay tuned. I'm going to show you all how to set it up. Okay, so to get started, you're going to download the Eros Scale app. You have the option of choosing between pounds and kilograms. I'm going to choose pounds. And I'm going to choose inches instead of centimeters for height. So from there, I'm going to go ahead and set up my account. So you can personalize it with your name that you create yourself. Another cool thing is that you can add pictures as well as editing those pictures that you decide to choose as your profile photo. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my height, and they also have something right underneath height, which is athlete mode. I am not an athlete, so you can choose that if you are, but I'm going to go ahead and hit confirm to go on to the next part. Now they have the Fitbit and a Google Fit if you want to add that, but I don't have it, so I'm going to go ahead and skip. And it's going to take me to my device. As you can see, that is a picture of it. So I'm going to click confirm, hit allow, and then it's time for me to get started by standing on my scale. Once I've stood on my scale and got the weight, I'm going to push that arrows button there at the bottom and click confirm, and it's going to transfer everything. Voila! Everything has been added. How cool is that? It has everything broken down from my weight to my BMI, and pretty much your entire body composition is shown here. And then at the bottom you have tracking, my account, and products. So with tracking, it's gonna track everything about your weight and your body mass and everything on a weekly, monthly, yearly basis. And I just think that is really cool. And then you can do an all-day thing if you want as well. They have the account information, and there you can see your name and as well as how to add other members. And the last part there are the products, and they're going to show you all the discounted items that they have available on the website, which I'll have down below in the description box so that you guys can get started. When I tell you this is so amazing, I am so in love with this so far. This is a really good product, and if you guys are interested in learning more about it and grabbing one for yourself, that information will be below in the description box. Thanks for watching.